It's Friday, it's First Shift, I'm Jennifer Vong. Coming up, what's in a name? We'll tell you after these headlines. Cars, the big story at Toyota. The automaker revealing a new generation of one popular model and slowing down production of another.
Now, we're here for the reveal of the world's most popular vehicle.
In Carmel, California Thursday, Toyota taking their wraps off the revamped 2020 Corolla sedan. The 12th generation Corolla is built on a new platform and features a more powerful engine option and edgier design that gives off a more athletic look. The automaker also announcing that it will sell a hybrid version of the Corolla for the first time in the U.S. That car slated to be revealed November 28th in Los Angeles. Toyota holding a separate reveal of two Corolla models today at the Guangzhou Auto Show in China. Meantime, the automaker is slowing down production of the Camry. It plans to slow one of 3 assembly lines at its Camry plant in Georgetown, Kentucky next month, according to spokesman Rick Hesterberg. Hesterberg saying, quote, "The auto industry is cyclical, and our normal process is to proactively plan months in advance for volume adjustments." He declined to give specifics on the extent of the production reduction at the plant in Georgetown, which is Toyota's largest. The sedan shares the line with the larger Avalon sedan. As Bloomberg reports, the slowdown shows how deep a slump sedans are in. Through October, U.S. sales of the Camry were down 6.1%. The Camry has been the top-selling car in the U.S. for 16 years running. Developing news out of Germany, where Volkswagen Group's supervisory board was due to vote on a multi-billion-dollar investment plan today. It includes steps to retool 3 German plants to mass-produce electric cars and to explore alliances with battery partners and rival automakers. We'll have more later this afternoon on Auto News Now. Reuters reporting, meantime, that Volkswagen Group CEO Herbert Diess will take on responsibility for the automaker's business in China early next year. The news service cites a source on VW's supervisory board. Diess reportedly replacing Joachim Heisman, who will retire. And 2 UK factories may be too many for British automaker Vauxhall. Vauxhall owner PSA Group is said to be weighing its options in case of a dip in car demand after the UK leaves the European Union. A source cited by Bloomberg says one possibility is permanently shutting down one of Vauxhall's 2 production sites. From Autopilot to ProPilot to Pilot Assist, those are some of the names automakers are using for their partially automated driving systems. But the labels are causing confusion among consumers. According to a new AAA survey, 40% of Americans expect the technology to have the ability to drive the car by itself. That, of course, isn't the case. Some systems, for instance, may control steering to maintain lane position, but require the driver to remain engaged. AAA says the findings show the gap between consumer understanding of the tech and reality. For some automakers, marketing the systems has been a challenge. For example, in 2016, Mercedes-Benz pulled this ad for the 2017 E-Class sedan and its Drive Pilot feature.
Is the world truly ready for a vehicle that can drive itself? Ready or not, the future is here.
Safety and consumer advocates said the ad could mislead consumers by overstating the system's capability. Tesla's Autopilot feature has also been widely criticized. AAA did its own testing of vehicles equipped with semi-automated systems. They include the 2018 Nissan Rogue and 2017 Tesla Model S. Overall, the organization says the complex nature of the real-world driving environment revealed vulnerabilities of the technology. But the systems generally performed best on open freeways. And we're open to your feedback and story ideas. Feel free to send us a tweet at @first_shift. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll catch you back here Monday morning.